the Old Testament, you may hear me say, I felt suicidal, I felt anxious, I felt depressed. But I'm not going to label myself like that. God gave you control over your mind. You get to decide what fills your mind. How do I know that? Because Philippians 4 verse 8 says, think on what is true, think on what is good, think on what is pure, think on what is excellent and praiseworthy. Let me tell you what never ceases to be excellent and praiseworthy. It is your Creator, it is your God, it is Jesus Christ. You get to choose to fix your eyes on Jesus. See, the problem with all these diagnosing and labels is they communicate permanency. When you get diagnosed with something, you conclude this is gonna stay forever. The enemy wants to have you believe that you are stuck in your pain, you are stuck in your struggle, you are stuck in your condition. But Jesus says, I did not die on a cross so that you can be managed for the rest of your life. I died so that you can experience life and